This is Opinion Radar. If you've ever tackled a cabinet upgrade or built custom furniture, you know that the details make all the difference. One of those details being concealed hinges. While they deliver a sleek, modern look, installing them correctly has always been a challenge, especially when you're trying to maintain consistency across multiple doors. That's where the Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig comes in. Priced at just $23, it promises to take the guesswork out of drilling precise hinge cup holes. But does it actually deliver? In this review, I'll walk you through my hands-on experience with this compact little tool, how it fits into a real-world workflow, whether it's built to last, and if it's truly beginner-friendly. I'll be honest about the flaws I encountered, the surprises that delighted me, and whether this is a tool worth adding to your kit. Let's dive in and see if the Kreg Jig lives up to the brand's reputation for smart, practical solutions. When I first set out to upgrade the cabinets in my kitchen, I knew I wanted a clean, professional look with those sleek concealed hinges you see on high-end cabinetry. But drilling those 35 millimeters cup holes by hand, that sounded like a recipe for frustration and misalignment. I've used a few Kreg tools before. Their pocket hole jigs are part of my regular rotation, so when I saw their concealed hinge jig, I figured it was worth a shot. At $23, it's not a massive investment, but it promised precision, ease of use, and time savings. And honestly, it delivered on all fronts. The build quality feels solid, not some flimsy plastic gadget that's going to flex or break after a few uses. It's compact, well-designed, and the included fastener bit is sharp right out of the box. I put it to work on some pine cabinet doors, and every hole came out clean and perfectly aligned. After drilling 40 hinge cups without a single hiccup, I can confidently say this tool pays for itself pretty quickly, especially when you consider how long it would have taken to measure, mark, and drill each one manually without a jig. What really makes this jig stand out is how intuitive it is to set up and use. Kreg includes clear instructions for adjusting the depth and position based on your hinge manufacturer specs, which I found incredibly helpful since I was using soft close hinges with very specific requirements. If your hinge maker provides layout guidelines, you can dial the jig in perfectly in just a few minutes. That said, not all hinge companies do. So, in those cases, you might need to do a bit of trial and error on scrap wood to find the right depth and placement. That's not a fault of the jig, more of an industry inconsistency, but it's something to keep in mind. Once set, though, it's basically point and drill. You clamp it onto the door, plunge the bit, and you're done. It removes all the guesswork. I'll admit, I was nervous the first time I used it. Cabinets are unforgiving if things aren't just right, but the jig made it so straightforward that I was knocking out doors in no time. There are a couple of quirks worth mentioning, though. First, the fastener bit Kreg includes has a proprietary shank. That means when it eventually wears out, and everything does, you can't just run to your local hardware store and grab a generic 35 millimeters bit. Nope, you've got to buy Kreg's replacement, which feels a little restrictive and could be a pain down the line. I get they want to ensure performance and fit, but it would have been nice to have a standard shank option. The other issue I ran into, and yes, I actually lost a small part too, was the set screw for the depth stop. Mine somehow worked itself loose and vanished mid-job. I had to hunt down a compatible screw, trim it down, and reinstall it. That little lesson taught me to check that screw periodically and maybe even keep a spare on hand. If you have to replace it, just make sure the screw doesn't extend past the collet. If it sticks out, it'll throw off the balance and cause wobble, which leads to messy holes. It's a small design flaw, but an easy one to manage once you're aware of it. Still, despite those minor drawbacks, the accuracy and consistency this jig delivers are outstanding. Every hole I drilled was spot on, which meant the hinges seated perfectly and the doors aligned flawlessly when mounted. That kind of precision is nearly impossible to achieve freehand, especially when you're doing multiple doors and want them to look uniform. I've helped friends tackle cabinet installations before using old school measuring and story sticks, and let me tell you, it's tedious, time consuming, and stressful. With this jig, it's not just faster, it's less stressful. You're not second guessing every measurement or worrying that a slight deviation will mess up the whole batch. There's real peace of mind in having a tool that takes the pressure off and lets you focus on the craft instead of math. I will say, the durability seems to be a bit of a mixed bag. After my initial use and a few follow up projects, my jig still feels tight and well constructed. No cracking, warping, or play in moving parts. But I've heard from others that with heavy use, the plastic components can start to degrade. I can't confirm that from my own experience. But it's worth noting that if you're doing professional cabinet work day in and day out, you might want to keep an eye on wear over time. For DIYers and weekend warriors like me, it's more than up to the task. The included hex key stows neatly in a little slot on the base, which I love, thoughtful touches like that show Kreg pays attention to usability. Overall, this is one of those tools I now can't imagine being without. It's not flashy, it's not complicated, but it solves a very specific problem with remarkable efficiency. If you're tackling a cabinet door project, whether you're a first timer or a seasoned woodworker, this jig takes the fear and frustration out of hinge installation. It's easy to use, delivers pro level results, and at $23 offers serious value. I only wish I'd bought it sooner. There's something deeply satisfying about watching a door click into place perfectly because the hinges are installed exactly where they need to be. And that satisfaction, that's worth far more than 23 bucks. If you're ready to nail every hinge install without the hassle, make sure you've got the right tools and the right tips. If this review helped you upgrade your workshop game, smash that like button and subscribe for more straightforward, no nonsense tool breakdowns. Stay precise, stay sharp, and keep building better.